Okay, hey, this is Mrs. Danny here. I was asked how to do this, so I'm just going to do a really quick show you how to do this. It is so easy. These are ornaments I made as leader appreciation gifts. They're really pretty, but they're really simple to make. This is actually one I did for my buddy who's in Sparky's. I also did a Puggles one. I did one for my commander that said "Because kids matter to God," and but I had already given it to him, so I don't have it to show you. First thing I did was I just went and I printed up a bunch of the TNT on cardstock. Um, I think I did 1.5 inches, but of course we've got really great clip art from Awana. And then I printed it on the back of this. You can get these sheets of paper from Hobby Lobby in the paper supply. Now this is one I did for the kids because I was not giving my clippers a glass ornament. I know better. But this actually really turned out pretty too. And I did it on both sides and then had a little bit of edging, and then I put a little snowflake, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. But I really think this turned out pretty as well. Now I couldn't use this in the ornament because I couldn't get it in. This makes it too tough. But this is really simple to do. You can do this in the globe ones that are round, or these which are kind of more flattened. I kind of liked this just the way it was hanging out. So you take the top off. The way I fed it in was, this is just an X-Acto knife. I'll try to get it into frame. And I rolled it around even though it is kind of more folded. All right, so you just feed this in here. Now, you've got to be careful because these lips do break. I know. And then you just continue. I've got a little pair of scissors, or you can still use with this. Oh, make sure that you glue the string on to begin with. But you just kind of hold it, and then you just have to work your way in here. This one turned out perfect. Now sometimes you have to go back and forth a bit. If you have a small pair of flat scissors, that seems to do really good. Let me flip on this side. Oh, we got a little fold there. This is where this comes in good. If you hold it, and then you have to smooth it out. You just have to take your time with this. This is honestly one of those things, it just takes a little bit of time. And then what you're going to do is you're actually going to feed this through here. Let me show you. Yeah, it helps if you wet it. I have a needle threader, but I'm not entirely certain where it is at the moment. Okay, so you bring it through. Put the top back on, get it the length you want. I have found the best way to do this. Little dab of hot glue. Put it on there. Let it dry. Cut. There you go. Now, the way I did the trim, these little snowflakes, I actually have these left over. My children and I, we do an ornament every year as a gift for our family. We've done this for 17 years, and these were actually left over from another ornament. Had a lot of these left over. But I think we got these actually at either a Hobby Lobby, or we may have gotten it at a Michael's at the time, because I don't think at the time we had Hobby Lobby. And all I did was I hot glued one here and then two here. That's it. And then on the snowflakes, I've got these. These are these little stick-on jewels. You get those from Hobby Lobby. When I got these, what was great, these were 50% off the Paper Studio. Love these. And so that just, I originally had them without this, but I thought this added a nice, real nice bling. Like I said, this is the one for the clubbers. Honestly, the one for the clubbers would be fine for the leaders too. I had these glass ones and I really wanted to do these. I'm going to put the camera up. You have to excuse the mess. I'm in the middle of like 6 different craft projects right now. So I have Christmas stuff and just stuff everywhere. But you can see, hopefully, how pretty that looks. It really hangs nicely on the tree. You can do all different kinds in the string. I got these also in a pack from Hobby Lobby. The red works really good for Sparkies. You can see Sparky on the back, but yeah, and then you can use any kind of clip art you want. Like I said, I think these are really nice. These make very nice leader appreciation gifts, Awana appreciation gifts of any kind. And like I said, I made some for my clubbers that they all seem to really, really like. So I hope that helped.